Today class, what are acid properties in SQL Server? ACID is an acronym that stands for Atomicity. Second one, consistency. Third one, isolation. Fourth one, durability. Durability. First one is, what is acid properties? Acid properties ensure that a set of database operations like grouped together in a transaction leave the database in a valid state even the event of unexpected errors. Let's discuss one by one. First one is atomicity. Ensures that the transaction is treated as a single unit. Either all operations within the transaction are completed or none are. If any part fails, the entire transaction is rolled back. Example, banking transaction. It means deducts money from one account but fails to add it to another. The entire transaction is reserved. Second one is consistency. Consistency refers ensures that a transaction brings the database from one valid state to another. The database must remain in a consistent state before and after the transaction. Example, transaction updates. Transaction updates a foreign key. It must maintain referential integrity. Third one is isolation. Isolation means ensures that concurrent transactions do not interfere with each other. SQL Server uses isolation levels like read uncommitted, read committed, repeatable read, serializable, and snapshot to control how transactions interact. Isolations like read, read, read uncommitted, read committed, read committed. Next one, repeatable read, repeatable read, and serializable. Last one, is serializable. Serializable. This is isolation. Next, fourth one is isolation example. Example isolation. Example. Example explanation. One transaction should not read data that is being modified by another transaction until it is committed. Transaction should not read data. Should not read data that is being modified by another transaction when until is committed. Next, fourth one, durability. Durability ensures that once a transaction is committed, it is permanently recorded. Transaction is committed. Transaction is committed. Committed. It is permanently recorded. Even in the case of system failure, SQL Server uses transaction logs to achieve durability. Example, if power fails, power fails after a transaction is committed, SQL Server will restore the committed changes upon restart. Restore committed when upon server restart.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.